Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Slack notifications using notification preferences step by step clearly. Open your Slack application on your device. Navigate to the top left corner of the screen. Click on your workspace name to open the drop-down menu. Select Preferences from the menu options. In the Preferences window, look for the Notifications tab on the left side. Click on the Notifications tab to access your notification settings. Here, you will see options for notification preferences. Choose the setting for how you want to be notified about messages. You can select all new messages for immediate alerts. Or you may choose direct messages, mentions, and keywords for more specific notifications. Let's explore the sound and appearance section. This option allows you to customize notification sounds. You can also decide whether to show a preview of messages in notifications. Now, scroll down to the Notification Schedule section. If you have specific hours for notifications, set your preferences here. Ensure that the Do Not Disturb times align with your schedule. After making your adjustments, click on the Save Changes button if prompted. You have successfully verified and customized your Slack notification preferences. You can now close the Preferences window to return to your workspace. Check your settings by sending a test message to see if notifications are working. You are all set to manage your Slack notifications effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.